everyone. Hope you all had a wonderful Christmas. We're heading towards New Year's, and I'm going to show you something that my daughter made. I just want you to see this. She made the most delicious apple syrup, and this is so easy to make. And what we did with this was I had some of my beautiful cranberry cheese that I made, and we would put it on crackers, and then you would just drizzle a little bit of this on top, and it was the most delicious thing you can ever feast on. When I tell you, it was like your lips, your tongue just exploded with flavors. It was just simply amazing. And what a not expensive way of also dressing pancakes. This is great on pancakes. This is great on anything. And the ratio is 6:1. Now my daughter has a system where she takes a skewer and she measures the amount of apple juice we have, and then she kind of divides it in 6, and when it reduces to that amount, it's fail-proof. You can't go wrong. So I am using shortcut again, because you can take apples and juice it and do it that way, but I'm using just a fresh pressed natural apple juice that I buy at Provigo. It's a President Choice brand, and I am gonna put, I would say, yeah, I'm just gonna use the whole thing. There you go. And reduce it, because if we have it, we have it. It doesn't go bad. It pretty much stays in the fridge, and it lasts a very long time. This is almost like the vegan honey that I make. I have a recipe on how I make my vegan honey, but we're gonna make it simple, just apples. We're not gonna add any flowers to it where we give it that honey taste. We're just gonna leave it simple. And when I say it's simple, this is all you need. You need freshly pressed apple juice. That's all you need. Now, how my daughter does it is she takes a skewer and she measures how much she has, and then she divides that into 6. So she is just going to go the easy way. After she's divided 6, she just checks it once in a while. She measures her syrup, and when it gets to 1/6 of it, then she knows it's perfect. It's just the way she likes it. Or you can use the spoon method, where you pick some and let the spoon cool off, and just check the spoon and make sure that it clings onto your spoon. I don't even have to wait for it to do the spoon test. All I have to do is once in a while put this in, measure it, and see where my syrup reaches. So it's that simple to me. Okay, so we're gonna put this on the burner, and I'm not gonna let you sit there and watch it, but basically we're gonna bring this apple juice to a boil, and then once it starts boiling, you want to kind of simmer it where the bubblies are low and that it's not all over your stove, and you just let it sit there and check it once in a while. There we go. So bring it to a boil, and once it's boiled, we're going to lower it, so this way we don't make a mess of the stove and we don't scorch it, because if you let it boil too long, what happens is that it starts getting really dark, and you don't want that darkness. You want it to look like this. Look how beautiful that is. Isn't it beautiful? And look at the texture, guys. It is simply divine. It's a lot less expensive than maple. I'm not sure what maple costs where you are, but maple could be pretty expensive. And this is just another way of getting a delicious syrup, not cost you as much as maple syrup. But what's nice about it, it has that rich apple flavor, and it just, yummy is the word. When I tell you it's delicious, it's delicious. But very simple to make. So guys, if you haven't had a chance, or if you've never made this, I have a recipe up, which is my version of a vegan honey, which is basically a little thicker than this, but I also cook in flowers. So this way it has that honey flavor where maybe I use some chamomile flowers or dandelion flowers, or you could use clover flowers, and it gives your honey a delicious taste. So just because you're vegan doesn't mean you can't have delicious stuff. We're just not going to take it from the animals, and we're going to make it out of either fruit or something else. And we can replace almost anything. As a vegan, you can replace almost anything. So here you go. You got to try it, and you got to try this on some raw cheese. Put some cheese on a cracker or a piece of bread and just drizzle. But I mean, just barely drizzle it on top. You just want to have that little sweetness added to your cheese, and oh my God, it is so good. So that's how simple it is to make this. I want to say I love you and be safe, and I want to wish all of you a happy new year. If I get a chance, maybe I'll try and pull another video here and there. If not, I wish you all a very safe, loving, compassionate new year, and may all your dreams come true. I love you, and I'll see you in my next video.
Videos like this, make sure to subscribe to Connie's RAWsome Kitchen, give it a thumbs up, and share it with your friends.